If all crazed cats kept their boss stats. Okay. I modified the cache to make it look expensive. And I shouldn't have done that. Because it's gonna take forever. Look at this. Hurry up.
What's the book say? It says that your weirdo sponge is actually a gruel.
Oh my gosh. I didn't ask.
Theoretically, a gruel is a mythical
There we go.
creature believed to be a living bad luck charm.
Boom! In your face. Let's get it.
Exactly. And then it feeds on the bad luck it causes. Each time something bad happens,
I'm gonna modify the base so it doesn't, like, you know.
That explains all the accidents. Does it say how to kill it?
But this cat is very slow.
Will you buy all this? Straight from the book. Just be glad you didn't find the legs. A what?
Yeah, this cat is pretty strong. Look at him go.
It's this
And then make this guy.
that sucks the life force right out of you. It's got these mean little teeth. Whoa. Let's just deal with one monster at a time, alright? Why don't we just mail it to the North Pole or drop it in the ocean or something? Not a good idea. If the owner gives the gruel away, the owner dies. I must be the owner. I'm the one that.
Oh yeah, this guy is gonna.
That's right.
This guy just got
I
here.
think you dug it up from the garden. I left it with Miss Vanderhoff at school. You what? Does that count? I wouldn't wait around to find out.
Yeah, these guys have their boss stats. Look at them. We're gonna do another level, but this time I'm gonna freaking hack my base, make sure it doesn't, like, you know, get any hits. Oh dang, only real. Okay, then no. Let's do Wrath of Heaven.
You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Okay guys, so I modified the base and now it looks strong stuff. I'm gonna freeze the values over here just in case. So we're just gonna wait until. Come on, spawn! Let's see here. Oh my gosh. Spawn. Yeah, this cat is very slow. I've never seen a slower cat. I'm not. And I can only spawn them once. That's it. Each cat gets summoned once. That's how it is. Let's see here. The Titan cat is expensive. Look at all these cats. They're so expensive. And this cat is very. This cat ain't letting anyone get hit on him. That's like. Okay, now it's your turn to get summoned. He's very slow. Like, he can't even move.
I know that sound.
Yeah.
Gotta get help. You just stay with him, alright? I think you came from the
Just
shells.
boom, right on you. Come on, you guys, run. These cats, they don't know. They don't know what they're doing. Okay, now I can summon a gross cat. This cat is actually the same speed, so he's pretty good. His boss stats are back on him, so he doesn't need to worry about being attacked.
Are you alright? It's okay, I'm fine, really.
Look at that, he's not worried about a thing.
Look at this mess.
But he is, like, very weak. Like,
The door's blocked. We're trapped. And that thing. It's growing. What are we gonna do? We'll have to go out the window. Come on.
oh shoot, white cyclone. White cyclone.
Carry him up.
Run, cow cat.
What's that? It's his tape player.
Oh my gosh, the crazed cats aren't strong enough. Oh shoot, they're getting hit.
I don't think it likes the music. Neither do I.
Oh yeah, we killed it.
Hate the music. It makes me want So
We did it.
that's it. The girl loves bad, so it must hate good. Happy is good. We'll turn up the music.
Let's see here. Let's do the Dom Awakens again. But we're gonna do Insane.
Daniel? Daniel, what happened? Nothing. It's growing again. You gotta do something. What?
Oh shoot, the base looks actually scary. This place.
Make something up. And make it corny.
Look at us. Look at these two bases just
What a wonderful sponge you are. Keep going.
staring.
So handsome. So terrific. Of course. Brilliant. Kill it with kindness. I love your big, beautiful eyes. All of them. I love what you've done with your hair. And that skin. So
Oh my gosh.
yellow and
There's two dogs.
absorbent. When I grow up, I want to be a killer sponge just like you. Uh-oh.
Oh shoot.
Look at the camera.
Alright.
It's good again.
I'm gonna test this guy out first.
What's happening? Kids! Where you are?
Oh my
I'll
gosh.
take care of it.
Boom. Here he goes. The boss. Now that the tip. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, guys. I was just working on something, a new video for you guys. Look at this guy. This guy, you guys don't want any smoke.
Hey, works.
Y'all don't want no smoke. Look at this dude. Oh my gosh. He about to finish them off. I'm gonna summon the little cat. These two are just like, finish it off. Oh my gosh. We can't do it.
I did the next best thing. Good morning, Gruely. Another beautiful.
Bam! Oh my god. The battle started. Look at him just standing there. He's just like, what do I do?
There you go. Enjoy your music.
Yeah, you never mess.
I'll kill you.
Never mess.
All right.
Yeah, he keeps his speed. I mean, he's not as slow as them.
See, I told you he'd come back.
Good boy.
Okay, everyone. French toast.
Yes.
He's just like, I got you, fam. Yeah, the fish isn't even powerful. These two are still walking, like, they're so, like, slow. You don't even know. Oh my gosh. These poor... Still going on war. Oh, shoot. And he finished him. Yeah, y'all don't want no smoke. Against my crazed cats of doom. Yeah, y'all don't even want smoke. Oh, love. Love is sickening. It is. I had a crush on one girl. I had a crush on a girl before. Don't judge me, okay? I just liked her. I just loved her, you know? I bet you all had a crush on a girl, so quit playing with me. Quit playing with my emotions. Like, come on. If y'all didn't have a crush on a girl, if y'all had the guts to ask her out, it would be cool. I guess I'm not cool because I never asked her. I never asked my crush out. She always thought of me as a weirdo. Has your crush ever thought of you guys as a weirdo? Has your crushes ever thought of you as a weirdo? Love is just a thing that can just...
What's your problem, Tara? What have I ever done to you? That's it! I've had it!
Get him, Cal. Oh my gosh.
Michael, he won't leave me alone. What? She's the one. She's always doing this to me. He's lying. Michael, now what are you doing with them? I want that cleaned up, and you too. I got you good. Almost as good as at your party.
Yeah, and I guess that's the video. Sorry I had to be boring. We could do one more stage, I guess. Right now we got a squirrel going after me. He's running like a crazy person. He can't run.
And he threw it out. But now he'll probably like it. Now that he's in love. Michael, can you give me half of the cake?
Yeah, I'm just watching Goosebumps. If you
I don't want to tear my party. She's ruining it. Well, your friends seem to find her very entertaining. Yeah, but it's my party. Take this inside. I'll go get some candles and you make.
look at these squirrels. These squirrels are making a big mistake. Can you hit her with the cake?
Hey, Michael, I'm supposed to serve you guests first.
Why don't you hit her with the... Oh my gosh, you're so dumb.
I've been wanting this for a long, long time.
Yo, these squirrels really want all the smoke.
A clock.
Ugly clock. A magical clock.
Magical?
That's what Anthony at the antique store said.
What are these numbers for?
They tell the years.
Ooh, cool.
Don't touch it.
Ever wonder why Playboy Cardi keeps taking down Kid Cusi for some reason?
Strange old man.
I really like that song. That song is
Years ago.
in my head like crazy.
Magical
You trying to
stuff.
be Cardi? Baby, you trying to be Cardi? Baby, you want to be Cardi?
The magic must
Good
be
day.
there.
I don't find you. Because they feel like you. Like, I saw when I. Someone would have saw coming out of shit. She want to be Cardi? Yeah. I really like that song.
Now, listen. I don't want either of you to put a finger on this clock. Alright?
And 2020 has been going to hell right now. Like coronavirus, Kobe Bryant and Gigi's death. Seriously. And then we got Juice WRLD. No, that was in 2019. What am I talking about? Then we got freaking quarantine.
I thought I told you not to touch this. If I find that there's anything broken on this clock, you're in serious trouble.
But the good news is there's no school.
Yes.
But the good news is, yeah, there's no school, no pressure. If everyone hates school, if you hate school, you know how I feel. Man, Mike, can you just attack the base, Tom? Hold on, Tom. I'm just gonna summon your friends. Your friends are very fast. Man, can you ever go fast? Wait, bro, hurry up. You lucky I don't have other things to do. I'd rather just... Yeah, there's another cat summoned. Oh my gosh, it's so close. Just touch the base. Touch it. When you summon them, but you can't summon them again. That sucks. The only way you can summon them is using the cat god.
I'll explain this one, Tara.
There we go. Yeah.